What's up, guys? So today we have an unboxing of the Red Magic 10S Pro Plus. This is the 24 gigabyte of RAM, 1 terabyte version. This has swap that is up to, what do you want to freaking call it? 8 extra gigabytes of swap, which means it can extend up to 32 gigabytes of RAM, and has a octa-core Snapdragon 8 Elite clocked at 4.47 gigahertz. It also is the leading version, which means it is up from 4.32 gigahertz. And yeah, so let's get into this freaking unboxing, dude. So one thing is that it looks exactly like the box from the 10 Pro Plus, minus I can't tell if it's the wrapper making it seem a little bit lighter, but maybe this one's a little bit lighter. But yeah, so they really didn't change much on it. This has sensitive information on this side, so I'm not gonna show you, but other than that, yeah. So let's get into this freaking unboxing, dude. It has been a minute. I wish they could have delivered this sooner, so I could have been one of the first people to jump on this. But I'm actually probably the last person to get on this unboxing. So, okay, sweet. Yeah. So we have the plastic coming off in the most unsatisfying way I think humanly possible. So I'm sorry about that. But yeah, so we have the wrapper being taken off right now, as you guys can see. So fuck yeah. Boom, and then yeah. So let's get this cover off. This is the silver model, which I think is sweet that they actually had the 1 terabyte 24 gig version in silver. That is something I've wanted for a minute now. So yeah, so we have that Win More Games shit on the side, and then it's pretty much the same thing. The X on top, the Red Magic on top, all that shit. So yeah, you saw it from before. But yeah, so we have this right here. So this is usually what do you want to freaking call it? Just like a case and things like that. So let's see how this case stacks up compared to the last case from the other box. I don't actually have that, but ooh, that phone looks freaking good, man. I always love seeing these different phones in person. But yeah, so let's get this out. Let's see if they have done us a good service of giving us a case. Let's see the quality. I'm assuming it's going to be top notch, just like before. Yeah. So it is the same case as the 10 Pro Plus, which honestly is a nice case. It's got this nice freaking texture. Let me get it for you guys right here. There you go. So yeah, so we have this nice case, and now we have the phone. Yeah, guys. So let's go and pop this baby out, and then ooh, we have a charger. This is probably 100 watts. I'm assuming. They don't say on it what it is, but I believe it's a 100-watt charger, and then we have a charging cable right here. So yeah, another sweet red cable, USB-C to USB-C, and fuck yeah, sweet. So that's good. And now that we have all that taken care of, let's get into the actual phone right here, guys. Let's freaking go, man. So yeah, let's do this. Here, let me pull this. You guys can see the peeling, and you guys can hear the peeling sound, and hell fucking yeah. So, ooh, that's some shiny shit. Let me pull the back off real quick. This little, oh, that looks fucking good. I'm not gonna lie, boys. That looks fucking good. Let me pull that sticker off real quick. Boom. Got it all off. And, yo, let's look, dude. This looks fucking clean, bro. I love how it's like, you know, shiny on the sides. You have the X up here. I wish they put like an S or something just to kind of differentiate. It's right here. It's a Snapdragon 8 Elite leading version. So yeah. Okay, sweet. So yeah, on the sides right here, we have an antenna band. We have the haptic triggers at 520 hertz. We have a built-in fan right here. This is a 23K RPM fan with a Ferris wheel setup. So it's two fans stacked on top of each other. We have the volume rocker. It feels tighter. Like, they did a good job of making sure the button feels tighter and not as loose. Like, same here. So this actually feels a lot less flimsy and movable than before. We have the switch right here. I love this silver, guys. I have not yet had a silver one. So here we have a microphone. We have a wonderful freaking antenna band right here. If you guys look on the Red Magic website, it says the actual antenna bands. I will also have all that information in my full review. This is just the unboxing. We have a speaker grill. We have a freaking antenna band. We have USB-C port, antenna band, microphone, and a spot for your SIM card. So let's see here on this side. It's very flat. Nothing really going on here. We have a freaking awesome, I say awesome every single time. We have a antenna band. We have the other vent side. we have a antenna band, and on the top, a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. That's the first thing that stands out to me. So right, yeah, we have the antenna band, like I just said. We have a IR blaster, so you can use it as like a remote. You have another speaker here, another microphone, and another antenna band. So yeah, that's the outside, and let's get a look at the back again, guys. It really does look so good. Like, this is fucking sick. It also has like a, I don't know what that actually means. I'm not too familiar with Chinese or Mandarin, whatever the language is here. I don't really know what that means, but it is pretty cool to see that on there. And we have the Red Magic thing. It looks pretty freaking dope. We have the logo down here. We have like lines going around it. This looks like a brushed sort of metal right here. Actually, you guys can finally see the 8 Elite. Hell yeah. So yeah, we have the fan right here. Like I said, the camera right here, 50 megapixel. There is I don't know the exact measure. I don't know what the cameras are exactly, but I know there's a 50 megapixel and I think there's 2 of those. So yeah. There's also a wide angle lens and a flash right here. And then, yeah. So I think it's really cool that you can also see all of the screws and things like that. And then they have a cool texture here. More screws, things like that. This looks fucking good, guys. Wow. So yeah, let's boot the phone on for the first time, guys. Fuck yeah. So yeah, we got this. And, oh, wait, let me not forget the comparison real quick. Visually to last year's model. Excuse me, just pretty much 5 months ago. So yeah, we have this right here. Everything is looking roughly the same. Like, it literally is a carbon copy. It's a little bit easier to not see this thing right here because of the color difference. But yeah, everything is exactly the same. Boom, boom. Yeah, exactly the same width and everything. Everything is exactly the same. But yeah. Fuck yeah, dude. So they do a nice service of just unlocking the phone and getting everything set up for you and installing Google Play and shit like that, which I think is really, really nice. So you're not going to see the whole setup process, but yeah. So the phone does look and feel the exact same. There's really not a huge difference, but what I can do right here is I can switch into here, and let's see if they have any indicator of... what do you want to call it? Any indicator of like Steam or anything on here? Like, do you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. So we don't have any games yet, so it's hard to see whether we have that or not. But yeah, let's see what else we have here. So the display does look good. It is the same resolution. Everything is exactly the same. I'm not really going to show much about the differences, but I will give... Yeah, I mean, this was just an unboxing. I've had a really long unboxings, but I really do think the point is clear. It's a really nice phone. I really do enjoy the silver. And get ready for every single video you want. Please put it in the comments. I'm going to do every fucking game. I'm going to make sure I figure out how to get Steam and Epic Games working on here. And all the PC emulation goodness. Every single thing you want to see will absolutely be delivered by your boy, because that is what I care about. I care about you guys getting a first-hand experience on this device, and I really do think I do a good job of this. And so hopefully I am the channel you come to for Red Magic devices. If you're looking to get an earlier device, I have the Red Magic 10 Pro Plus. I have the 9 Pro Plus, the 8S Pro Plus, and 8 Pro Plus, depending on what you're actually willing to spend money on. And everything like that, I have those in a brand new state. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully you appreciated the unboxing. And yeah, I'm excited to make videos for you guys. And fuck yeah, let's go, boys. We are fucking back on the video grind. Let's go.